I recently discovered a new method that can make you earn up to $25,000 every month. And what's great about this is you don't have to show your face at all in this video. I'll be showing you a step-by-step tutorial on how to earn money fast using a free tool that can help you do your work faster. Plus, if you stay tuned to this video from the start until the very end, I will specifically tell you what niche to use to gain thousands and thousands of viewers all around the world. If you're all set, make sure to grab your laptop devices, and we can jump right into the video. I show you the first step of today's tutorial. I want to show you an example of what we will be doing. The specific niche that we want to use is wellness. As you can see here, there are tons of well videos that gain thousands or even millions of viewers using this specific trend. We will create a video that will encourage viewers to watch so that we can earn money right away. Now, first things first, I want you to head to your default search engine and look for wellness articles. For example, I will type in how to relieve anxiety. You can click on any of these links to use for your video. For demonstration purposes, I'll make use of this article right here. Now that we found an article that we can use for our video, we can move on to our next step. For this part, I want to introduce you to a free website called iEnvy. You can simply produce professional videos here. iEnvy is a sophisticated video editor available online. It includes over 5,000 themes as well as stock material, a music library, filters, transitions, and much more. The best aspect is that you don't even have to download it. You can see that iEnvy has almost 7 million clients globally, and it is utilized in over 190 countries. If you scroll down, Product Hunt has also designated it as the product of the month. Most notably, it has received 4-star ratings from Copterra, Trustpilot, and G2. You practically have everything you need once you run this tool. There are several adaptable templates, more than 8 million videos, images, and audio tracks, features for powerful video editing. You may make your own audio edits, and you'll also get access to brand kits. If you like working in groups, you may even form your own team. Finally, with over 40 animations in their library, you may sample their fluid animations. Now to get started, simply click on the gray button which says Start Now. Once click, you will be able to sign up manually by typing your full name, email address, and password, or you can also sign up automatically by linking your Google or Facebook accounts. Once signed in, you will be able to see this page where you can gain access to thousands of ready-to-use templates. Since we want to use their text-to-video feature, simply click on this button and then choose any of these templates below. As an example, I will be using this template. Now that we have decided on a template to use, we can go back to the article we searched for. After that, you can simply copy the headline and paste it on the End Video tab, then copy the rest of the article to proceed. Since we want our videos to highlight the important parts, make sure to only copy the numbered text right here on the left-hand side. You can gain access to these features: script, customization, upload videos, use ready-made videos, use readily available images, and add music or even logos. Simply choose any of these wellness clips to incorporate in your own video by clicking on the videos icon and searching for wellness. You can get creative here and alter your design until you're happy with it. You may alter the text, their positioning, and many other things by scrolling on the main editing board. Now, before we save our video, we want to put a voiceover on it to encourage more audiences to watch our video. To get a free voiceover without using your own voice, I recommend you to head over to this website called SpeedShello. Here on SpeedShello, you can instantly transform any text into a 100% human-sounding voiceover with only 3 simple clicks. The benefits of using this website include you can transform any text into speech. There are male and female voices included. This website is the only text-to-speech engine that adds inflections in the voice. There are over 30 human-sounding voices, plus the AI voices read the text in 3 ways: normal tone, joyful tone, and serious tone. It works in English and 23 other languages. And finally, it works with any video creation software, namely Camtasia, Adobe Premiere, Movie, Audacity, and etc. Once you have successfully grabbed your free AI voice on that website, we can now add it to our video. When you're finished, simply click the download option above to save your video to your device. Now that you have your video, I will share with you a website that will help you boost your videos fast. The website I want to talk about is called 6IQ. It is designed to boost your YouTube views, and you can also get free insights and guidance to keep your YouTube channel growing. What's great about this is that you can use it for free and download it as a Chrome extension. It has 3 features which could be really helpful for you. Number 1, the vidIQ score helps judge the likelihood of a video being promoted in related videos search And recommended videos. Number 2, success on YouTube is about more than just views. Vision keeps you focused on the metrics that matter. And number 3, use what you learn to drive better decision making for your own content. These websites that I've mentioned are still up and running, so while it still lasts, make sure to take this opportunity to grow your income without even doing heavy work. Earn money right now. If you find this video beneficial, please like it, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more of my videos. Thanks for watching.